Remote key, keyblade and battery replacement. Your remote key contains a detachable keyblade that can be used for unlocking the left front door if the remote key's battery is weak, or to activate and deactivate the mechanical child safety locks in the rear doors. You can also use the keyblade to unlock the left front door if the car's battery is empty. Removing the keyblade. Hold the remote key with the front side with the Volvo symbol facing up and move the small button down and to the right. Slide the cover down and up. The cover will loosen and the keyblade can be removed from the key. After use, replace the keyblade into the slot in the remote key. Press the front cover into place. Slide the cover into position until you hear a click. Replacing the battery. Hold the remote key with the front side with the Volvo symbol facing up and move the small button down and to the right. Slide the cover down and up. Move the button to the side and slide the rear cover. Remove the cover from the remote key. Use a screwdriver to turn the cover counterclockwise so that the markers are lined toward open. Remove the battery cover by pressing a fingernail into the indentation. Pry the cover up. The battery's positive side is up. Pry out the battery from the compartment. Insert a new battery with the positive side up. Put the battery cover back in place by placing the battery's edge downward in the holder. Slide the battery in place. Put the battery cover in place and turn it clockwise until the marker points to close. Replace the back and front cover.